Good morning, guys. So the sun's coming up and it's kind of cold out here, but it's all right. We got 2 beds built yesterday. We're gonna get another one built over here today. I'm super excited. I'm almost done. And then we're going to do our landscape fabric and all that stuff in the bed so that way the grass doesn't grow up through everything. So let's get to work. Steven's a little slow moving this morning. Steven, how do you feel this morning?
Tired.
You're tired? He always says that I work him harder than his own boss man does. Alright guys, so no joke, that tree was coming the wrong way and it was smishing my garden fence. You always got to be on your toes and watch what you're doing. When you're running a chainsaw and you're falling trees, you got to be cautious and you got to be careful. So, thank God that we did have the tractor to get it down. If not, then I don't know what we would have done. Chainsaw holding out, baby.
No.
Are you ready to give a review on it? We'll do it another day, but you ready to give a review on it now that it's been used?
Man.
That chainsaw has basically cut every damn tree.
I know that. This damn wood's hard. I mean, this stuff ain't going nowhere for many years. You don't even need to strip the bark off of it. That's the thing. I mean, I guarantee this will last probably 50 to 60 years, this log. Just sitting the way it is.
I don't doubt it. Those are hard.
I mean, this is a hard dang,
I know your chainsaw's taking a toll.
The bar's bent from overheating. It ain't giving enough oil, even adjusting the screw out. I mean, dang.
She's a really nice lady. She does an amazing job and she has her own YouTube channel. Miss Rochelle. Come on. It's Miss Rochelle with Legacy Home and Garden. She's gonna help me get these beds together and lay the cardboard in, and then we're gonna do the topsoil. So,
yep.
You ready to work?
I'm ready. I even brought my work gloves. I'm ready. You tell me what to do and
all right,
I'm doing it.
Well, let's get to work.
All right.
time I get back. You better hurry up. Snap, snap.
You heard that, didn't you?
Boss lady has spoken.
The boss has spoken. So, what are we going to start with, Stephen?
Hey, you want me to do 45s on them things? You screw the two 45s together and you got it?
Yes, after you get my ends cut, then you can come and do this while I put them in place.
Well, I'm saying 45s on the,
Yes?
like I would need to do a 45 on that.
Where's my tape measure? Here, Miss Rochelle, will you hold this, please?
Yes. You want me to let go?
That's another 4 foot. It ain't gonna hurt nothing. Just more flower space. Just more flower space.
Here?
Yeah.
This way? Or this way?
It doesn't matter. Let's just stack them here.
This one's longer, ain't it?
Yeah. Got it?
Yeah, I got it. I guess it was the same. Okay, so what are we doing now? Oh, Lordy.
Hang on. All right, y'all. It's always a scary thing when you go to your husband and say, "Can I use a Sawzall?" And then he looks at you like, "For what?" So we're gonna use this tool. We're gonna do some cuts and finish up this outside flower bed perimeter that I've got going on here. And he kind of piece everything together. Make sure it sits kind of flat on the ground, or 80% on the ground.
Yeah.
And then we'll move and start doing the insides.
Okay. So what are you cutting first?
I'm gonna cut this piece right here,
Okay.
and then I'm gonna piece it together.
To there. Okay.
Yeah, but I'm gonna cut some of that other off. But I'm gonna
Alright.
cut this piece first.
Okay. So what do you need me to do?
Help me hold the log steel.
Okay.
Sorry about that, y'all took another tumble. Alright, put those 2 screws in, and you can call it a day.
What?
So put those 2 screws in, you can call it a day and go chainsaw.
Well, that ain't calling it a day.
You go do what you want to do.
For now, anyways. Y'all, these outside garden beds, or flower beds, they look so amazing. They look rustic and old, and I love it. I absolutely love it. Miss Rochelle is over there helping Stephen put some screws in on the corner. I'm not gonna attach it to the post for right now because I gotta bring the rototiller in here, and I want to remove it and then rototill it and get the grass up, and then we're gonna plant my bulbs and stuff, my flowers.
Same thing happens to me and Ron when we're working.
Look at my garden, my beds, they're beautiful. flip it. This is really light.
Oh.
That's our mailbox post.
Oh. That'll be nice.
Yeah, that's why it's been sitting there. Alright guys, look at that. We got some work done today. I am super excited. We got 3 garden beds in and the dirt filled in there. And now my husband's gonna go get the rototiller and we're gonna start on this other side. I was gonna do 3 beds over here, but I changed my mind. We're gonna do some potatoes and onions and carrots all in this area over here, so that will be more than enough. But yeah, it looks good. It looks really good. I'm so happy and so excited. Alright guys, so the phone died, but look what he did! My husband tilled this up. We're gonna make rows in it. I'm gonna be able to plant my potatoes and onions and carrots, and I'm so happy. And then over here on this side,
I'm taking a break.
yep, Steven's over there taking a break. He's been working hard. Over there, and then I got my gardens, my raised beds, and hopefully today, if he's not too tired, we're gonna start, we're gonna cut the rest of those logs to go all the way around the inside perimeter. I have enough room for a 2.5, 3 foot bed on the inside of the garden. So we're gonna get that done. We have gotten a lot done today, and we had helpers. I had my grandparents out here. My grandmother was like, boy, this brings back memories of my parents tilling up the garden, me having to pick up rocks.
All right, y'all. So we're still working on the garden area. As you can see, right in there, we rototilled everything earlier in the video. And on our raised bed area along the perimeter of the inside, right along there, it's about 4 foot off the fence area. Around the whole perimeter, except by the entrance by the front, it's gonna be about 2 feet, 2.5 feet. And we're gonna have just enough room to walk through, about 2 foot walk space in between everything. And the reason why we're not going so high with the raised bed area along the ground around the perimeter of the fence is because the topsoil that we have. We probably have at least a foot of topsoil, if not more. So we don't really need to add compost or topsoil to this ground to build it up. We're gonna rototill inside and put topsoil from the property to fill it in where we need it, and we're gonna loosen the ground on the inside in between there a little bit, so the plants and the vegetables are all be able to just grow into the plain ground right here. Unlike in the 3 raised beds right behind the camera, we're gonna put other things in there, but we're gonna go around the whole perimeter with other stuff, and just stay tuned to all that, and we're gonna be having more videos on what we're putting where.
What's going on, babe?
The batteries are running.
On the last corner, ain't it?
Yeah.
It's all right, put. You're right.
That's good. That's it.
So all 3 batteries are dead.
Yep.
On the last corner.
We ran some screws, ran some wood, did a lot of chainsawing.
We got a lot done today.
Oh my God. God helped us today. Whoo-wee.
I know. And we still have daylight left. Alright guys, so we're done for today. It's time to close this out. We did a lot. We got a whole bunch of dirt to haul in here, or excuse me, we have a whole bunch of topsoil to haul in here to finish out this outline of the fence. But I'm telling you, I will be able to grow a lot in here. A lot. A lot more than I had expected. It is unreal. This is huge. This is a big garden. But I can tell you, with having the trend laid out the way it is, the using the wood off the land, it looks so amazing, and I cannot wait until I get to start planting and to see things start growing.
We're supposed to get another frost to somewhat freezing temperatures within a few days or so. I haven't looked at the weather, but her grandparents showed up today and said something about it, so we're gonna have to look at the weather close. So it's probably not a good idea to start anything in the ground.
All right, guys.
She's got me laughing.
Thank y'all so much for watching, and y'all
Thank
have a
y'all.
wonderful day. Bye.